According to the GDACS, UN and EU Commission, Tropical Cyclone Fani is moving over the Bay of Bengal towards the eastern coast of India. On 30 April 2019, its center was located approximately 650 kilometers southeast of Chennai city, Tamil Nadu, India, and 700 kilometers northeast of Point Pedro town, Northern Providence, Sri Lanka, with maximum sustained winds of 157 kilometers per hour. In the next 24 hours, Tropical Cyclone Fani is forecast to move further northwest, intensifying with maximum winds up to 204 kilometers per hour. Locally moderate rainfall and strong winds are forecast for north coastal Tamil Nadu and south coastal Andhra Prandesh, India, and the northern province, Sri Lanka, until the 1st of May 2019. Heavy to local very heavy rainfall, strong winds, and storm surge is expected for coastal Odisha and northern coastal Andhra Pradesh, India from 3rd of May. The National Disaster Response Force and the Indian Coast Guard are on high alert, and fishing has been restricted. The computer models in the Joint Typhoon Warning Center are all lining up in tight agreement regarding the forecast area along the Odisha Coast of India. The forecast track shows prior to landfall on 2nd of May 2019 at 1800 UTC, 95 knots per hour. Just as Fani makes landfall on the Odisha Coast, the wind speed forecast is Extremely Severe Cyclonic Storm, and on the Saffir Simpson Scale, a Category 2 cyclone. Once Fani makes landfall by 3rd of May 2019 at 1800 UTC, the winds weaken at 65 knots and drops to a very severe cyclonic storm, and on the Saffir Simpson Scale, a Category 1 cyclone. According to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, Tropical Cyclone Fani's position is near longitude 13.7 north and latitude 84.2 east. Tropical Cyclone Fani, known as Storm 01B, is located approximately 594 nautical miles south-southwest of Kolkata, India, and has tracked west-northwestwards at 6 knots over the past 6 hours. Maximum sustained winds 105 knots, gust 130 knots. Animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery indicates that Tropical Cyclone Fani has continued to strengthen with an improved core convection surrounding a small ragged eye. Satellite image depicts tightly curved spiral banding wrapping into the eye. The initial intensity is assessed at 105 knots based on a Dvorak intensity estimate of T 5.5, 102 knots, from PGTW and KNES. Environmental analysis indicates an overall favorable environment for cyclone intensification with a moderate 20 to 25 knot vertical wind shear, high sea surface temperatures of 30 to 31 degrees Celsius, and high ocean heat content values, and good outflow to the west. Tropical Cyclone Fani is forecast to turn northward to north-northeastward after 12 hours as an extension of the subtropical ridge over Bangladesh erodes due to an approaching shortwave trough. The system is expected to intensify to a peak of 115 knots, Saffir Simpson Scale, Category 4, by 12 hours under favorable environmental conditions of intensification. Near 72 hours, Tropical Cyclone Fani will be significantly weakened as it makes landfall, 85 knots, Saffir Simpson Scale, Category 2, and interacts with the multilateral westerlies with forecast dissipation expected by 120 hours. Maximum significant wave height is 30 feet. HVN meteorologists will be tracking this cyclone closely, so please click on the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen and bell for notification of new video updates.